In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood hinges on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. These are going to be located attached to the hood. Let's get into it. Before we take the nuts off for the hinge, you want to just mark this with a marker where the hinge was. And in this square right here, you can mark that as well. That's going to give you a close indication of where it should be when you go to put it back together. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to take these nuts off. And you might want to put an extra prop up for the hood or have an assistant hold the hood for you while you're doing this. Loosen this up. And disconnect the hood from the hinge. Lower the hinge. And I'm just going to use some rags. We just put the hood down on the rags just to prevent anything from breaking. Just like that. Using a 13mm socket, take these two bolts out. And then just grab the hinge, pull that up. It is slightly glued down a little bit. Don't worry about that, that's fine. Take the new hinge, line this up, get the bolts started. Just be careful, don't pinch your fingers. Now tighten these down. And we'll torque these to 16 foot-pounds. Now grab the hood. Get this positioned. Get the nuts started. And snug these up. And you're going to want to get this lined up with your marks. Get it as close as possible. And torque these to 16 foot-pounds. Remove the rags. And then you can close the hood nice and slow, make sure everything lines up, and make any adjustments accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.